Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to cover on lessons from Juz 4. The topics it includes are: number 1, our strength lies in us remaining untied, and our unity relies on our obedience to Allah's virtual commands. Number 2, promoting and spreading goodness and preventing and warding off what is wrong is a unique identity of Muslims, a virtue that gives Muslims a high status as a nation. 3. Battle of Uhud reminds us that success lies in obedience and adherence to commands of Allah Azza wa Jal and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 4, remembrance of Allah in all states is a sign of true believer. 5. Being patient. Patience in obeying Allah's command, resisting carnal desires, and facing distress, and remaining steadfast and key to being successful in the sight of Allah. 6. Allah has laid a lot of emphasis on fulfilling the rights of the women, the weak, the downtrodden, the orphans, and those oppressed. We must pay special care in fulfilling these rights. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like, share.